Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about function in JavaScript. Without further delay, let's start. First of all, this is the formal definition of a function. A function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. If you want to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of any number or something like printing some text, you can create a function and you can use and call your function with the help of the name you define. We can create a function to reduce repeating a piece of code. For example, here we have something, a random text. You can say, hello friend, this is BroLearner. We are here to help you. If we want to print this code again and again after some piece of code, then we can just copy this and paste here. Then we have some code, then paste here, then we have some code. This is not a good practice. For that, we create a function here, function hello. Hello. And we reduce this line of code with this function. Okay, now let's see how we can define a function. This is the way we can define a function. First we use function keyword, and after that we create a name, function name. We can use hyphen between the name. We cannot provide an space, so that we can use uh, an underscore, hyphen. Okay, our function name should be start with letters, not a number. After that we have statement, which is nothing but a piece of code. This is called, this syntax is called function declaration. Function declaration. Okay. If and after that, after declaring, for example, we have an example of intro name function, and it write, hi friend, how are you? And this is the function definition. And after that, if we are just define, we not use, then it will not print anything. For that we have to call the function. This is called name, then round braces, and we call the function with function name. This is called calling a function. This is declaring a function. This is calling a function. Now let's see how we can create a function and call a function with practical implementation in VS Code. Now let's jump into coding part. Now let's see how we can create a function. For that we have to just use function keyword, function, and after that we define the function name, my function. Function. We cannot create a function with spaces. We cannot provide here spaces, which is wrong. If we can do hyphen, and now hyphen is also removed from JavaScript, that's why we cannot create a function name with hyphen. We can use underscore, a number here after end of this name, or we can use in middle of any function name. Here I use camel case, you can also use. Okay, now let's do document dot write hi friend. Document dot write welcome, welcome to bro learner. Okay, now let's save. You can see nothing is printed. Why? We just define a function. We can just declare a function. We are not calling the function. For calling, we use my function and round braces. And after that, semicolon. Let's save. You can see hi friend and welcome to BroLearner is printed. For space, just give space and now save. If you want next line, you can use br tag also. Now let's save. You can see this is how we can create a function. And if you want something addition, like let's create a variable where a equals to 30 and where b equals to 40. And after that we just print document dot write for output dot write, and just use a multiply b and save. You can see this is printed. If we use addition, we can add two numbers. You can minus subtract also. This is 40 minus 30 is minus 10. 30 minus 40 is minus 10. Okay. This is how we can create a function and call a function. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.